Any challenge is just going with the music, by the way.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, karibu sana. My name is happinessmajoni, and if you're a returning subscriber, you know the love I got for you. So today, today is just today. And on today's video, we are running errands. A lot of errands. I will tell you as we go by. Okay, so see you on the road.
Hey, Mheshimiwa is in the building. Back at it again on the weekend.
Guys, this cake, this one, Nando your baker.
Hi guys, welcome back to my karibuni.
This cake is slapping. What did you call it?
Victorian sponge cake.
Yes, it's a Victorian sponge cake and it's very nice. It's
spongy.
Oh my god, I wish I would give you baths.
Sitaki.
I'm sorry guys. Next errand. After we had our slices of cakes, we headed out to the next errand, which was looking for a house. We did not manage to get a house this very day, so we postponed it to the next weekend to go and house hunt and look for agents who can actually help us get a house where we are looking for a house. And then we went back to my friend's mom's house. We picked up her brother and then we went for a late lunch date to our favorite seafood restaurant that we discovered some few days ago. And if you haven't watched my video of the first time when I went to this place, I'll leave a link and it's going to pop up on the screen so that you can click it and watch where we ate. The food is really amazing. Right now we are on our way to the restaurant.
It's never gone, just have regrets. Oh no, oh no. So I'll go back. Oh, what I gotta need to forget the time I lost. Let me forget.
Listen, guys, the food was so amazing. This is us after eating the meal. We were literally very satisfied until the baby was asleep because we all had enough of everything and we were so happy and excited. We were just now chilling and, you know, having conversations. Yeah. Hey guys, so I am closing yesterday's vlog because I wasn't able to have a closing remark or outro yesterday, so I'm doing it today. Thank you so much guys for watching my weekend vlog. I know it's a little bit all over the place, but guess what, that's how we do it here. I'm going to try to be a bit organized. We were not able to do all the things that we had planned. We were supposed to go to the salon, but we went, and guess what, the hairdresser was not there. We had to let go. We went back to my friend's house and we chilled for some time before I left for my house. You know what to do: like, comment, share and subscribe so that I actually know you watched this video, to be honest. Okay, subscribing is free. Remember to hit that notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Always remember to work hard, stay humble, and be disciplined. See you in my next one. Bye! Remember to hit that notification.
So hi guys, welcome back to our channel. At this point, for the weekend, if it's weekend, it's our channel. Yeah. Wireless microphone. Can you see this? Hebu kwanza tuangalie kama inafanya kazi.